Noise cancellation on some shit.
Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Ooh. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Daejha, aka Day, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're not new, you already know what's up. Y'all, so today we're doing an unboxing. As you read by the title, we're doing an unboxing. I just got a new iPad, the stylus, all types of stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing for y'all. And I have two special guests in the back that won't stop talking during my intro. Which one should we unbox first?
I want to unbox this.
That's the charger, dummy.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's Christmas.
Y'all, so we're unboxing. This is the stylus right here. This is the iPad, the AirPod Pros, and then we got some accessories for it.
This for me? Oh man. Apple really done came up, fam.
They really have.
This whole is an Apple Pencil. Just when I thought they couldn't get, you feel me, any better, they came out with an Apple Pencil, you know what I'm saying? So this is the label, you know what I'm saying? Gonna go and rip that baby off. You hear me? I know y'all waiting for the final product.
Y'all, it took so long because I got my name engraved in it.
Come on. Hey, move. Alright, y'all. Nice, pretty nice box, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie to you, Apple is very professional for this. Okay, so this is what we working with, y'all. We got our Apple Pencil, and this is specifically for the iPad. You know what I'm saying? She has her name carved in it right there. Beautiful baby right there. We're not gonna take the wrap off, y'all. What's next?
So it's Aiden's turn. Aiden, go unbox yours.
I for real don't need the iPad.
What?
These the AirPod Pros. Apple.
Aiden, back up, get in the camera. Aiden, get your whole head in the camera.
Do that. Pull
I
that.
don't think he bald headed.
Pull that wrap off thing. That's what the time
Too
comes.
bad.
Aiden, scoot back.
That's when the time
You can't
comes.
see the balloon in your head.
Ooh.
Ooh, show him.
Them ain't the pros, is it?
It is.
I can't show
Hey,
y'all.
was really like noise cancellation on some shit. This
Did you
nigga.
drop it, Aiden?
Sorry, this is the AirPod Pros.
Did you say sorry?
Why can I only see nose?
They're very good. Yep, Apple. Designed by Apple in California.
Show the camera. Why are you showing me?
Put that off, pull that off. It's like a plastic.
Ooh.
You got that, and then like touch that. Ooh! The AirPod Pro, baby.
What comes in the box?
That's
Aiden?
a
They got that. Ooh, it's kid, baby.
What comes in the box?
Pick up.
Aiden?
Can I get some? Can
The
I break
box.
earwax on them?
It comes with a charger. This comes with a charger, and it has. And yeah, it comes with a charger too.
Oh, what that is?
It's a charger,
That charger. I'm glad.
but not for you, son.
Hey, low key, y'all.
And then it has extra buds that go on the AirPods. So,
Right.
like, say if it get dirty, you can switch them out, wash them with water.
Hey,
anything.
no cap,
Thank
y'all.
you, Aiden.
Bro, say these mugs right here. Hey, y'all, no cap, fam. These mugs straight up noise cancellation. Hey, sis, you mind if I put these in my ear and you break them in? You feel me? Get a little earwax on, you know what I'm saying?
No.
Bro, this hoe like a hearing
Your ear in it.
hearing aid. I can't hear nothing out of it.
The iPad, the new iPad, you hear me? It's out there, yeah.
This mug is exclusive,
That's
David.
big, son.
Can I have this?
Can you help me open it?
Can I have it?
Can you have it?
As y'all know, I got the
Right.
small one for my school.
Yep.
I got the smaller one, but go check out Little Man Music.
Hey, let me get this so I can finish.
We're happy and we're single and we're colored. Give me a high five. Hey y'all, I ain't gonna cap. I know that y'all can't really see this mug in person.
It's like a necklace.
But y'all, hey, this hoe goes stupid.
So this the way, 12.9.
12.9.
Got my name engraved in this too. It's 128 gigabytes.
Ooh.
Oh God.
Hey, we need a drum roll for this, y'all. Come on, y'all. We need a drum roll. Ooh.
Look at the bag.
That mug look like that mug look like how they making the iPhone 12 low key.
Look at the 3 dots in the back.
Ooh.
I think that's
Hey, that's how they making the iPhone 12 though.
And it come with this.
It's that big.
What it come with?
He gon'
It fell.
This like the same cord that I got for my Apple MacBook.
This the box is very big.
In the back, it says my name right there.
And we're gonna show y'all a case for it when we get back.
It say Daejha Evans. Y'all see that? Y'all see that?
Let me see. Where?
Daejha Evans.
You should have got it bigger.
Blow another
They
smoke
should
in
have
my
got it
face.
bigger.
I couldn't get it bigger. That's why I can't do nothing, y'all.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh. Hey.
Oh.
Yeah, and we lit.
Yeah.
And we got the iPad. No, it ain't no 6.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's big. Ooh, we finna draw on it.
2020
Oh, we might
images.
just shoot another YouTube clip.
Oh. Y'all.
2020 12 inch.
2020 12 inch. And I got a 12 inch.
Hola.
Ooh.
Hola. 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 Amigo. Aquí. Frío, sabunazo.
Yeah, that nigga so retarded, bro. Don't. And the camera on there goes stupid though.
It go stupid. It's like
It go
the iPhone.
stupid. It go stupid.
I wish I can help
Look.
it.
Not this nigga. He said, I can hold it.
Lynn, put
yeah.
the Wi-Fi password.
I don't think you need the Wi-Fi to set it up though.
Y'all, we all know how Apple products are. You always gotta have a Wi-Fi to set it up. Just do it. This thing is so big.
Password will be %.
Hey, don't use our stuff, bruh. Don't. I want y'all to like,
You already know how to
comment,
use
and
it.
subscribe.
I love it.
Me too.
I don't just love it. I love it.
It'll take a few minutes to activate. Got
I forgot about this bad boy. Hey, and all of y'all, hey,
It
that
comes
thinking
on
about,
magnetic.
you feel me, coming and robbing her for this. Hey, I'm telling you, her name and initials on them. Oh, it's real.
Y'all like the little man who chain?
Here you go, Dave Booski. I gotta get one of them.
Facts.
Them hard.
the pencil just
Magnetic.
connect on like that, y'all.
The back of the iPad is magnetic.
All I see is fat nose.
Pass me the wood, let's hit the stage. I'm finna rock out. Everybody in this bit with me rolling these 100,000 up in cash. Walk in the bank, I'm finna max out. Once they see what's in this bag, they gon' think that it's stolen.
Go check out Mbk Three music.
Santa, I want a new iPad 12 for Christmas. I am my day. I'm free, my day. So, that
Do the whoop whoop. Do the whoop whoop. Do the whoop whoop. Do the whoop whoop. Hey, funny Mike. Hey, I'm trying to become a bad kid, bruh. Hey, hit me up, son.
Nah, real talk. Hey, funny Mike, you watch this video, fam? I'm telling you, he is a bad kid. You know what I'm saying?
Facts,
Yeah.
son.
You know what I'm saying?
Facts. It's up though.
Do-do-woo-woo. Do-do-woo-woo. Do-do-woo-woo.
And I'm taking Emily, son. Stop playing with me, boy.
Ooh, he said he taking Emily, y'all. That's a threat, big bruh. You hear me?
Oh yeah, Jay. Hey, Jay, come find me, son.
Y'all stop.
I'm sorry.
You're gonna break his ankle.
Chill, hey, you know I'm like that.
This is how it looks, y'all. So this is our first accessory. It is a paper-like screen protector. That way, we will be able to draw and stuff like that on there. Because I like, Aiden! Because I like to draw, so that's it. This right here. Aiden, stop!
Her iPad case matches her
That's the case. The back is out, of course, so y'all can see my name on the back. Let's put it in there.
So the back of the case is clear, y'all, so y'all will be able to see the actual color of the iPad.
And my
You know
name.
what I'm saying?
It's
That's
kinda
pretty
dirty.
dope, sis. I like it.
So this is the AirPod case. It matches her iPad case. So that'll match. Ooh, boy.
Hey, stop! We were popping them 12 years ago.
Stay, bruh.
Hey, y'all, this is it right here.
Look.
And then also a place for the pencil on the side right here.
All night.
You can literally put it in there. And it charges it.
All
See?
night.
It's bringing up the charging. Welcome to Apple Pencil.
I advise you to take the
Boom.
So again,
Hey, let me
so again, these are the
We can put the screen.
these are the AirPods.
Get the
These are the AirPod case that matches her iPad case.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put
So you
this
can, like,
in the
film from up above.
in the AirPod case. So this, when you put it on, and there it goes, and you could like put it on your keychain or anything.
Where's it? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on.
Is that the screen protector?
Yeah. Announce messages.
Are these good?
Look at that. Aiden, please, bro. Don't do that. You tweak it. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Incredible. Because I don't feel like reading the instructions. You think it's gonna drop?
Facts.
Oh, it come with two screens, bro.
There's one glass and one not.
I don't think so.
Yo, it's already clean. It's already clean, but you know what I'm saying? My sister kind of bougie, y'all. She gonna get it perfect.
Hush. I can hear you.
You ain't supposed to hear that.
If it's clean. It's not clean, my man.
Y'all, she's swearing it's not clean, y'all.
Stickers, because I'm a G. I don't even need the stickers, to be honest.
Y'all, she swears she Kobe Bryant when it come to this motherfucking technology shit. But little does she know she gonna fuck this hoe up. Watch that. I see some bubbles.
Yeah, that's what this thing is for. It's supposed to do that, little man? Oh, it's supposed to be on this side. What the? Did you enjoy unboxing today?
Man, I love unboxing, man. But you know what I'm saying? Santa said she got me with the iPad 12 come December 25th.
Not the forehead. Okay, y'all, we gonna catch y'all in another video. Say hi.
See y'all in the next video, YouTube. Man, it was good hanging with y'all today, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video.
Thank y'all
Make
for
sure y'all
stopping
leave
by.
a thumbs up, you feel me?
Like, comment.
Subscribe. You know the deal.
Now I'm not gonna even say subscribe. Okay.
Leave a what?
Leave a comment.
Leave a like.
Subscribe.
Okay.
Y'all know what it is.